That's mental. What? Today is finally the day we are going to be installing a Catless downpipe on the M240i. I mean, we got everything we need. We got the downpipe right here, which is beautiful, obviously. I've been touching it with my grummy hands, so I bet there's handprints all over it. And then also, because we're going to be working on the car, we need some extra thick black... I got some gloves, okay? That's all you need to know. But this thing is beautiful. Where can I show you it real quick? I mean, it doesn't really matter if I get my hands on it. I've already touched it enough with my hands, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, as you can see, guys, completely empty. It is Catless. We got a Catless downpipe, and this car is gonna be a lot faster and a lot louder. Now, all we gotta do is hope that my friends Chris and Alec show up to help me with the install. Hey, Chris, how's it going?
Great.
You ready to do this?
Excited to downpipe and tune.
It's the dude who's gonna do a whole Catless downpipe install for a cheese pizza. Yeah, and some fake lemonade.
That's right. That's the most important.
These are some
part.
weird requests. So this is what my car will sound like by the end of the day. First, we gotta go to Lowe's, so we're gonna be taking the CRV, the best daily known to man.
You stop driving like a
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, we got some cheap tools. This is probably gonna snap. We made it back to La Casa. Let's get this install started.
Let's go.
All right, what are we starting with?
I think I'm gonna have to take your intake off.
Oh, no, yeah, we do. I watched the tutorial in school today.
Hold that.
Not like I was actually gonna do any of it. I mean, wait, you haven't even watched the tutorial?
Nope.
Wait.
I did a long time ago.
A long time. We're gonna do this wrong. Our car is gonna blow up. Mass airflow sensor has been taken. It's been unparted. So now we have the intake out, and we have a lot more room to work with the downpipes. We can get the stock one out and then put the Catless one in. This is very exciting, and I don't know how long this process is gonna be, but we should just get started now. O2 sensors are being disconnected now. You can see these are my hands doing it, not Alex. We shoved this towel into there so nothing falls into it, so that looks questionable.
If you had a camera that could go in there,
yeah,
you would see the turbo, like the
Ooh.
turbine in the turbo.
We have a tutorial open, so we don't like blow up the car or anything on accident. So
Put that in there.
Huh?
We're doing this all by ourselves. Delete that.
This is not here, actually. We are unscrewing the top V-band plant that goes to the top of the turbo. These are my hands right there, so this is me doing it. V-band clip is loose and off the turbo. Oh, we're getting really down here. Oh, yeah.
You see those two screws?
All right. So we got to get those?
Yep.
Okay.
And then one at the bottom, and then we can deliver the downpipe like a little baby.
All right. Yep. Very, very nice. Do you want me to try to get those bolts?
We'll have to see what size they are, so.
Very important piece. I'll just put it down here.
No.
All right. Took a little bit. We got these two off. And as you can see, there you go. All right. We can start on the next thing now.
Now we are unscrewing the exhaust clamp from the downpipe.
And I know I sound different, but I'm still the one doing the install.
One thing we forgot to do is unscrew the exhaust from the frame so it can hang a little bit and give us some more room to free up the downpipe.
All right, getting the stock one out now, and then it will be time to put this one in. You gotta do what you gotta do, even if that consists of banging the crap out of the stock downpipe, because, I mean, even if I can't sell it, the stuff inside the downpipes is actually pretty expensive, so I guess you could just sell that alone. Taking the socket downpipe out. It's almost out of there. Come on, we're so close. He has delivered the baby. It's a boy. Oh. Oh my. All right, guys, look at the stock one. Cat, and then Catless over there. Little update here. I was doing short form a lot. We have both O2 sensors in, so this is the upstream, this is the downstream. I don't have a spacer on this one though, so I will have a permanent check engine light, or not permanent, but I will have a check engine light until I do a real tune. I guess I'm just gonna have a check engine light with this Catless downpipe, unless I get a spacer, which I don't have. But now we're gonna put the Catless downpipe actually in, since the stock one is out and this one is ready to go in. So let's do that now. I'm really excited. It has no expensive materials in there.
We should start it without the exhaust on.
Header dump. That would sound insane.
Why would we all suggesting something that could blow up? But no, I'm not doing any of this. All right. All right, right now we're pulling the O2 sensors up and getting the Catless one in, which, ooh, we're making some pretty good progress. We got more hands to help with one downpipe. Hey, Catless one is going in though. We're making some pretty good progress. Very exciting. I can't wait for this thing to be in. We're having a little bit of trouble because the exhaust doesn't have that as much play as the downpipe, so it's kind of like stuck in a place right now where we're trying to like move it over 3 inches, and this is what's going on here. Chris is doing really good work, man. He's a really, really beautiful friend here. All right, guys, I haven't given you an update in a while, but the Catless downpipe is in. We have everything. We're just doing the air intake right now, and this is the last screw. Boom!
That's it.
It's worth about a pizza.
Yep.
Finishing touches. Putting the cover back on. Boom! Catless downpipe startup on the M240i. It sounds insane. Muffler literally, Catless Downpipe, and you got the craziest sounding M240i. Oh my god!
It's full from the turbo. It's so loud.
It's so loud. Oh my, dude, the M2, I mean, the muffler delete was nothing compared to this. That boy running like it's an SVJ. That's mental. This is revolutionary. The B58 is finally catless. No tune yet. Now I gotta drive it myself, man. This is my car. What am I doing? What? That's crazy. This thing sounds crazy. Get back seat approval. Approved. Now I can actually downshift like an SVJ. An amazing combo. Oh boy, am I excited to pay for 2 cars of gas. How much is yours at?
95 miles left.
And mine's at 64, so this is gonna be a lot. Sounds insane.
Dude, turbo is so loud.
The downshifts, third to second's insane, and then upshifts, third to fourth, it makes that crazy noise.
You need to go 5,000 plus. 5 to 6,000 makes the crazy noise even better.
This is pretty
5,000
crazy.
plus. 5,000 plus.
5,000 plus?
5,000 plus.
Is this bike gapping you right here?
Probably.
Let's see. Credit card information?
No, don't show that. Why is...
It was gonna start shooting out gas.
We got one here.
I'm gonna get gas in the same pump.
Huh?
I'm gonna get gas in the same pump.
Okay. Is that one not working?
No.
Yeah, it's not working.
43 so far on mine. I'm gonna have to do this 2 times because he only has 90 miles and I only have 60. Paying for 2 gases on both Catless cars just for the range to be horrible. 56, 58. The first one. I have to do another one. 2 M240i Phillips. Right now it's at $80. This is your little pay. Your little payment for a Catless Downpipe install.
Bare minimum.
Bro, this would be like a $600 charge.
Bare.
And I was like, yo, I'll get you a pizza and I'll fill up your car. You're happy with it though?
Yeah, that's all right.
Hey, $104. This car is crazy now. I mean, I thought it was decently loud. I keep saying this. I thought it was decently loud before doing the Catless Downpipe, but this is literally a game changer. This car is crazy now. I don't even have a tune on it right now. I'm just running it with the downpipe, and just with the downpipe, I'm not sure how much horsepower it adds, maybe like 30 or something, but I can feel it. Holy crap. And with 2 of them together, I mean, it's not really cool and I have to pay for both the gases and spend $100. Ready, guys? This car is crazy. This is mental. This is crazy. But guys, this car with a Catless Downpipe is just truly insane. I've never driven it so hard. It is now the next day after installing the downpipe and I haven't driven the car normally once. All right, so you can see all those warnings go away except one of them. Yeah, so I have a check engine light on my dash until I get a real tune. But guys, that is gonna be everything for today's video. The M240i is now catless. It sounds amazing. It drives amazing. This was an amazing video. If you guys enjoyed though, make sure to like and subscribe. And of course, I hope to see you in the next one because I have some big plans for this car, so you wanna stay tuned.